Hi everyone, welcome to today's video in the Career Workshop series. So today we'll be talking about giving your first presentation. Public speaking can definitely be a very daunting task, but with the right tools and resources, anyone can give a great presentation. So today I'll be discussing two valuable resources that can help you improve your public speaking skills and make your next presentation a success. So as always, the links to each of these resources will be provided in the description below. So here, as you can see, this is on the Northeast Big Data Innovation Hub's website on the Career Central page. And as you scroll down, you can see here are wonderful interview and presentation sources. So first up, I'll be talking about this presentation called Your Speaking Voice by Toastmasters International. And this is a wonderful resource for anyone looking to improve their public speaking skills. Toastmasters International is a nonprofit organization that provides supportive and constructive environment for people to develop their public speaking skills. So with over 16,000 clubs in 143 countries, Toastmasters provides members with the opportunity to practice and refine their speaking skills, receive feedback, and also develop leadership skills. So it's a great resource for anyone that wants to, build confidence and develop these various abilities. And so specifically for this presentation here, it gives, wonderful tips on how to develop a confident and engaging speaking voice. As you can see here in the contents, it shows things such as the medium of your message, how your voice is created through, breath and the production of voice quality, and it goes over, what type of voice you have. And so, it's a great guide to anyone seeking to improve their speaking skills. Next, we have Chris Anderson's presentation called How to Give a Killer Presentation. So based on his experience working with, successful speakers, Anderson offers, practical advice on how to craft a compelling story, deliver a memorable message, and connect with the audience. So this resource is perfect for anyone looking to take their presentation skills to the next level and make a lasting impact on the audience members. Ultimately, giving a great presentation is a valuable skill that can make all the difference in your career. By using these resources, you can develop your public speaking skills, overcome nervousness, and deliver a memorable message. Whether you're a seasoned speaker or a beginner, these resources offer a practical guide to helping you improve your presentation skills and take your career to the next level. So start exploring these resources today and, take the first step towards giving an amazing presentation. Again, thank you for watching, and we hope that you've enjoyed the Career Resources workshop so far.